Renewables are the way forward. But the energy industry faces quite a few obstacles, which we need to overcome to achieve change on a truly significant scale. We at Wärtsilä are dedicated to helping our customers answer the demand for more sustainable energy production and the ultimate goal of decarbonization.
There is a lot of work going on around future fuels. We are exploring potential paths and have already achieved promising results. We understand it is hard for our customers to commit to new technology as there is not a crystal clear visibility what the dominant future fuel will be. We want to encourage our customers by ensuring our technology will be capable of adapting efficiently to any single or combination of fuels. In fact, we have been working on this issue for some time now. We have already converted over 100 engines to use gas instead of diesel. This is a major step forward in decarbonization. We want to guarantee that our engines run efficiently and reliably, regardless of which fuel becomes the leading choice. We will make sure that whatever the future holds, Wärtsilä's engines can handle it. This allows our customers to invest into a more sustainable future with full confidence, already today.
At the moment, our technology enables hydrogen blends up to 25% without any major changes in specifications. Now our engine laboratory is taking it to another level by testing our engines with pure hydrogen. We expect to have an engine and plant concept for pure hydrogen operations ready by 2025. That's a huge thing for us, as well as the future of the industry, and all of society as well. We are really excited about this. We've been developing hydrogen-based power for over 20 years now, and this test in many ways is a critical milestone of all that work. Ensuring operational safety is a major factor, as working with hydrogen is a whole different ballgame compared to other fuels used.
Our pure hydrogen testing is underway at the moment. We are really excited about this step, and the outcomes can make a crucial difference in the energy solution for the future. With our balancing power, using future fuels, we will enable and accelerate the transition to 100% renewable energy.